JRM's owner, Jim Merritt, was a former superintendent in the early 90s, and he got tired of the poor quality of tines in the industry. A typical tine will last about 1 to 3 holes, and you'd be switching out tines 6 to 8 times during aerification. Jim started making tines in his own garage, and by 1997, he came out with the first carbide tip tine. This revolutionized the industry and allowed superintendents and equipment managers to go a full aerification plus practice screens with one set of tines. About 10 years ago, the USGA came out with a study encouraging solid tine use only on your greens. And we learned over the years, if you do that steadily, you're going to create compaction underneath the soil. So the Emperor Tines concept was born where you pull a small enough core, just like a needle tine, and remove enough material out to get enough oxygen and gas exchange, removing that top layer of thatch, and keep your greens breathing during the busy months. So the whole goal of Emperor Tines is to remove that top layer of thatch. Thatch is excessive organic material just below the green surface, so when thatch hinders your water and air filtration, it creates shallow root systems and puffy greens. This can create scalping and create poor quality of cut with your bed knives. So these are recommended in place of a solid tine application. So many superintendents seek to remove about 10% of their organic material from their greens in a given year, which means during the busy months, so a lot of guys go once a month, twice a month, and pull just a little bit of material out, easy to remove with a backpack blower, and with one quick roll, the course is up and running right away. So anything JRM paints blue is our trademarked Infinity Steel. JRM's Infinity Steel is a unique patented steel with the highest alloy and highest carbon content on the market. That combined with our unique Imperial tip, which is a bird mouth design designed to pull more material and cut a cleaner hole, we feel we have the most durable tines on the market.
My name is Josh Costner. I'm the Director of Golf Course and Grounds here at Blowing Rock Country Club. I'm a 5th generation golf course superintendent, have been here for 7 years. One thing that sets this club apart is the history, being built in 1915. We take a lot of pride in maintaining an old course like this, and the golfer expectations are high, so using a company with as high of expectations as JRM only lines up with what we're trying to do. And I remember when I got into the industry 20 years ago, you were lucky to get 4 or 5 holes out of a set of verification tines. And now, JRM has raised the bar so high you can get 18 greens out of a set of tines. And it's not necessarily the time and the money that we're worried about saving, it's the time in front of golf, being able to go out there and do all 18 greens in one morning in front of golf. That's the important thing to us. So.
JRM will continue to innovate the highest quality products. We are one of the few manufacturing companies in the industry now that manufacture their own parts. And 90% of the improvements we make on our tines are from listening to customers out in the field, listening to their issues, and finding a way to improve and make a better product.